Developing tonight, law enforcement in Washington, D.C. are preparing for an unprecedented moment in American history tomorrow. That is when former President Donald Trump will appear before a judge and be arraigned for a third time. KPRC 2 anchor Andy Sirota is in the newsroom tonight with what we can expect. Andy.
Keith, Mr. Trump was indicted yesterday on 4 federal counts related to his efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election results. He was given the option to be arraigned via video, but the former president is planning to stand before the judge in person.
The attack on our nation's capital on January 6, 2021 was an unprecedented assault on the seat of American democracy.
In the historical 45-page indictment, the former president faces 4 counts of conspiracies related to obstructing the peaceful transfer of power. On Wednesday, both former Vice President Mike Pence and his once chief of staff pointed to Mr. Trump's failed efforts to prove election fraud.
What the president maintained that day, and frankly has said over and over again over the last 2.5 years, is completely false.
If he has the evidence, then all these conspiracy charges would go away. But that's not the case that you hear his defense team presenting.
Our defense is going to be focusing on the fact that what we have now is an administration that has criminalized the free speech and advocacy of a prior administration during the time that there is a political election going on.
Judge Tanya Chutkan, on the federal bench since 2014, has been randomly selected to try the case. Given the violence that rocked the nation's capital on January 6, 2021, the Trump defense team may seek to move the trial out of D.C.
There's other options. I mean, there's certainly West Virginia, which is close by. There's other areas.
6 co-conspirators are also mentioned in the indictment, but remain unnamed since no charges have been filed as of now.
Our investigation of other individuals continues.
As you've noticed, you can read the entire indictment by scanning that QR code in the bottom left of your screen or by visiting click2houston.com. Live in the newsroom tonight, Andy Sirota, KPRC 2 News.
Andy.